Hypertension must be controlled and prevented to avoid complications which can be stroke, heart attacks, kidney failure, visual loss, blindness, etc. So I will discuss natural ways to prevent and treat essential hypertension. Please subscribe, share and like. Comment to get answers to your question by doctors. A great natural remedy for high blood pressure is drinking blueberry juice or garlic water on a daily basis. In addition, various herbs prepared in teas, such as hibiscus tea or olive leaf tea, appear to have excellent antihypertensive properties which help control blood pressure. Even though these natural remedies are useful for complementing prescribed treatment for high blood pressure, they should only be used under the supervision of a cardiologist, as they should not replace the medication advised by your doctor. Learn about natural remedies and lifestyle modifications you can use to complement your high blood pressure treatment. Garlic water. Garlic water is a natural way to regulate blood pressure as it stimulates the production of nitric oxide. This is a gas with a strong vasodilation effect, which helps blood circulation and decreases pressure on the heart. In addition, garlic is also great for maintaining cardiovascular health, since it has incredible antioxidant properties that protect the blood vessels. One way of consuming garlic is by infusing it in water and drinking it throughout the day. Ingredients: 1 clove of raw garlic, peeled and crushed. 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, of water. Preparation method: place the garlic clove in a cup of water and let it soak for 6 to 8 hours, or overnight. After this period, drink it before breakfast on an empty stomach. If you prefer, you can also multiply the ingredients above to have several servings of this infusion. You can also consume garlic as a part of your meals throughout the day, as it may be more enjoyable to eat garlic than to drink it. A good tip is to add some peeled cloves to your olive oil for a garlic-infused alternative. This will allow you to benefit from the garlic properties anytime you consume olive oil. Reduce salt intake. Sodium, which is a key component of salt, has the ability to draw water into your blood vessels, which increases the volume of circulating blood. This increases pressure within your blood vessels, which in turn leads to an increase in blood pressure. To prevent hypertension, you should consume less than 2,300 mg of sodium per day. Those who have already been diagnosed with hypertension should reduce their sodium intake to 1,500 mg 2,300 mg per day. Regular exercise. Exercise is a great way to not only strengthen your entire body, but also your heart. A strong heart can work more efficiently to pump blood, which can impact high blood pressure levels. Patients looking to prevent hypertension or reduce elevated blood pressure levels should aim to exercise 4 times per week for 30 to 60 minutes. Activities should be of moderate intensity, and can include walking, jogging, cycling or swimming. Studies show that higher intensity exercise is not more effective for the prevention or reduction of hypertension in comparison to moderate intensity. Healthy body weight. Maintaining a healthy body weight and waist circumference are associated with lower risk for cardiovascular disease. Patients are advised to keep their BMI between 18 and 24 to prevent or treat hypertension. Women should aim to keep their waist circumference below 88 cm, while men should be below 102 cm. Even though there are no studies that prove this yet, hibiscus may be toxic above the daily dose of 6 grams. Therefore, it is recommended that you do not take more than the dose indicated above. Hibiscus tea may have a bitter taste, so if necessary, you can add a teaspoon of stevia or honey to the mixture. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol can impact the way your heart functions by making it beat faster. Consistent, excessive alcohol use can increase blood pressure over time and increase your overall risk for cardiovascular disease. For this reason, healthy adults are advised to limit their alcohol intake to 2 drinks per day. Men should not exceed 14 drinks in a week, and women should not exceed 9 drinks in a week. Healthy diet. The DASH diet is widely recommended for the prevention and treatment of hypertension in adults. This diet involves the reduction of saturated fat and cholesterol and emphasizes the importance of fruits, vegetables and low-fat dairy products in daily meals. Patients should aim to incorporate dietary and soluble fiber, whole grains and protein from plant sources into every meal. Patients who have been diagnosed with high blood pressure may be advised to additionally reduce their potassium intake, as increased potassium levels and contribute to high blood pressure. How to lower blood pressure with food. What food lowers blood pressure quickly? What is the fastest way to lower blood pressure naturally? Here are 10 foods that can promote normal blood pressure levels and support your overall health. 1. Unsweetened yogurt. 1. A recent study showed that yogurt may produce positive blood pressure outcomes for those with hypertension. 1. This is attributed to its high amounts of the minerals calcium, potassium, and magnesium, all thought to help regulate blood pressure. 1. Look for unsweetened natural and Greek yogurts, which can be blended with fruits, seeds, and nuts for a healthy breakfast or snack. 2. Berries. Strawberries and blueberries are rich in antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins. 2. Research has linked anthocyanins to a reduction in blood pressure in people with hypertension. 2. In more good news, berries are delicious. Sprinkle them over your yogurt, cereal, or oatmeal, or enjoy them as a sweet afternoon snack. 3. Beets. This root vegetable is high in nitric oxide, a compound that's been shown to reduce systolic blood pressure. 3. Try beets as a side dish or add it raw to salads. 3. You can even purchase beetroot juice, with no added sugar, to drink on its own or add to smoothies. 4. Sweet potatoes. Loaded with magnesium, potassium, and fiber, this side dish superstar is a delicious way to lower blood pressure. 5. Leafy greens. Cabbage, collard greens, spinach, kale, and other greens are high in nitrates, which have been found to offer blood pressure benefits. 4. It's easier to get your daily dose of greens by varying how you eat them. 5. For example, you can sauté spinach for a tasty side dish, add fennel to soup, or bake a batch of kale chips in the oven. 6. Fatty fish. Salmon and mackerel are packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, nutrients that can help lower and regular blood pressure. 6. Just lightly season your favorite fillet, add a dash of olive oil, and broil in the oven. 7. Whole grains, especially oatmeal, oats and other whole grains contain a type of fiber called beta-glucan, which may lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 7. Start your morning with a bowl of unsweetened oatmeal, use whole grain bread for your lunch sandwiches, or have a side of seasoned quinoa with dinner. 8. Pistachios. One study showed that eating pistachios can lower blood pressure during stressful times. 8. These healthy nuts, best eaten unsalted, can add crunch and flavor to salads of all kinds. 8. You can also blend them into pesto or enjoy a couple of handfuls as a snack. 9. Bananas. Just one medium-sized banana packs a powerful potassium punch, 422 mg, to be exact. 9. Beans, tomatoes, mushrooms, and avocado are other potassium-rich foods that may help lower blood pressure naturally. 10. Kiwi fruit. According to one study, eating 3 kiwi fruit daily can help dramatically lower blood pressure. 10. Kiwi is delicious chopped up in fruit salad or sprinkled on top of plain yogurt. Stress management. Some patients may benefit from relaxation techniques if stress or anxiety plays a role in elevated blood pressure readings. Individualized cognitive behavioral therapies are found to be effective, as well as meditation, yoga or acupuncture. Learn more about soothing herbs that can be used to treat stress and anxiety naturally.